Today we'll be looking at the top 5 JAMB questions. I mean the latest questions on kinetic theory of gases and matter only. Um, we'll be going, I mean the latest one, so we'll be going from the year to, okay, 2024, there's no question concerning kinetic theory of gases in the mock exam. So 2023 we have one, 2022 there's no question, 2021 no question, 2020 no question on kinetic theory of matter and gases, kinetic theory of matter and gases. 2019 also there's no question on kinetic theory of gases and matter. So in other words, each questions you see the year it came out, so we'll be running very fast towards it. So let's start. So the first question here is gotten from 2023. According to the kinetic theory of gases, the pressure exerted by a gas is due to option A says the vibration of gas particles, option B the weight of the gas particles, option C the attractive forces between the gas particles, option D the collisions of gas particles with the container walls. The correct answer here is D. Why? Because in summary, the kinetic theory of gases highlights that the pressure of a gas is primarily caused by the frequent and energetic collisions of gas particles with the walls of the container. So the correct answer is D because of this reason. The other one, the kinetic theory of matter of gases postulates is that at constant motion, gas particles move randomly. They move in straight lines until they collide with one another particles or the walls of the container. And also it also says that the pressure exerted by a gas is the result of the countless collisions of the gas particles with the walls of the container. Each collision imparts a force on the walls, and the cumulative effects of these collisions lead to overall pressure exerted. So the correct answer here is D. And another question is still gotten from 2023. Remember, we are only focusing on the kinetic theory of gases and matter, so our focus is only drawn to that place or drawn to the subject matter. So what is the state of matter in which particles are widely spaced and move freely with high kinetic energy? A. Liquid, B. Solid, C. Plasma, D. Gas. The correct answer is D, which is gas. The state of matter in which particles are widely spaced and move freely with high kinetic energy is a gas, because in the gaseous state, particles have enough energy to overcome attractive forces, allowing them to move independently and occupy a large volume. This is question from 2018. Although I told you we only pick the year the subject of the matter we are talking about comes in. So we saw a question on 2018 carrying kinetic theory of gases question, so we just decided to share it. So according to the kinetic theory, an increase in temperature causes the kinetic energy of the particles to A. Decrease, B. Remain constant, C. Increase, D. Zero. The correct answer is C, which is increase. The kinetic energy of a gas is a measure of the motion of the gas particles. The motion of the particles increases with an increase in the temperature, which in turn increases the kinetic energy of the gas. So when the temperature is increased, the kinetic energy of the gas increases. We are down to the fourth question. The fourth question is similar to that of the 2018 question, but the only difference is that in the 2018 we have increase in temperature, whereby in the 2015 it is actually saying, according to the kinetic theory, an absence in temperature causes the kinetic energy of the particles to A. Decrease, B. Increase, C. Remain constant, D. Be zero. The correct answer here is C, which is remain constant. Why? Because I know you might be skeptical thinking it's B0. No, it's remain constant. Why? Because The temperature, pressure, and volume only affect the ongoing motion, as gases are always in constant motion. The absence of temperature only causes the motion to remain at a constant point, hence it remains at a constant kinetic energy. So that's just the answer towards it. Remain at constant, not zero.
If you have gone this far, like and share for motivation.
Subscribe and stay tuned for more.
We are done to the last question, which is number 5, gotten from the year 2011. Which of the following properties is not peculiar to matter? A. Kinetic energy of particles increase from solid to gas. B. Random motion of particles increases from liquid to gas. Oddliness of particles increases from gas to liquid. D. Random motion of particles increases from gas to solid. All the options from A to C are what kinetic theory of matter postulates, except that of D, which says random motion of particles increases from gas to solid. So the correct answer here is D. Why? Because particles in solid are closely packed together and no space for random movement, while particles in liquid are not closely packed together. They move, but not in a zigzag or random motion like gases. So at liquid, the particles are less ordered, but no order in gaseous state, because of the distance are more in gaseous state than in liquid state. Subscribe for more.